Hello people, so welcome back again. So today I am making a stretch mark oil. In one of my recent video I asked if I should make a stretch mark oil with a simple and easy recipe, and most of you requested for it. Yes, if you make your skincare product yourself, whether you sell or you don't sell skincare products, you need to try out this recipe. It is a simple recipe with just 4 ingredients, but trust me, this recipe works. This works because I'm actually using the key ingredients that your stretch mark need to see, and they will fade out. Yeah, they will start closing up. So share this video, like this video. Yeah, let's proceed. So this is my aloe vera oil. Aloe vera oil is very important. Make sure you're buying the original, the real aloe vera oil. Okay, so I'm going to be adding in my aloe vera oil. First of all, and most importantly, you need a scale. Please, if you're following me on this page, you need to buy a scale, and you also need to get a pH strip. This is a pH strip because anytime I make skincare products, I like to take the pH of my skincare product, and you need to start doing that if you do skincare product yourself so that you don't irritate your skin. So I'm going to add in my aloe vera oil, and my scale is on, my beaker is neat. So I'm going to pour in my aloe vera oil. So I'll be dropping all the recipe on the screen. So if you usually add aloe vera oil into your skincare product, it will help prevent stretch marks because aloe vera oil has healing properties that helps to fade stretch marks. So I'm adding in 57.5 gram because I am only making 100 ml. So the benefit of you using a scale to weigh out your skincare ingredients is because it makes you not to waste your ingredients. And trust me, we are going to get exactly 100 ml of our stretch mark oil. So that is it for my aloe vera oil. So next, this is my python oil, or call it python fat oil. So I actually extracted this oil from my python fat. I'll be dropping the picture of python fat on the screen. So the way I extract my oil is that I usually blend my python fat. When I blend my python fat, I pour the blended python fat into a beaker and place it on a double boiler so that the oil will dissolve properly. So if you don't know how to process the fat, then go for the python fat oil. It is available in skincare ingredient stores. So trust me, python fat is used for a whole lot of skin treatments. Like when you want to treat keloid, python fat can actually dissolve keloids with time. And also it is very suitable to treat some skin problems such as skin allergy, thinned skin, like somebody that have bleached and the person's skin is looking so thin and you want to repair the skin. You can actually include python fat or snake oil into the person's oil, and it is suitable for both children and pregnant women. So this is very good for treating your stretch mark. Trust me, from experience, from review, from customers review, this python oil has been doing wonders, and it works perfectly for treating stretch marks or for reducing scars. So I'm going to add this. My scale is on 0, so I'm going to add this to my oil. So this is my retinol palmitate oil. This is actually a retinol. So this is a derivative of vitamin A. It helps improve the appearances of stretch mark, and also it helps rebuild the protein in the skin, which is called collagen, by making the stretch marks look more like your normal skin, which is very good in stimulating the production of collagen. So take your scale back to 0, then add in your retinol palmitate. So next I'm going to add in my vitamin E. This is actually D-alpha tocopherol. Okay, this is a cosmetic grade vitamin E, but you can equally buy a vitamin E capsule from the pharmacy. So I'm adding a little quantity of this. I'm going to be dropping all the measurements on the screen. So give it a nice stir. So this is our stretch mark oil. So how do you apply this oil? First of all, let me bottle up this oil. So can you see this is exactly 100 ml? You see why you need a scale? So how do you use this oil? First and foremost, let me let you know that exfoliating the skin or scrubbing the skin is very, very important. Despite the fact that you have stretch mark, you need to scrub your skin 3 times or 2 times in a week, depending on your skin type. Now, after scrubbing your skin, okay, apply this oil morning and night on that part where you have stretch mark. Most especially, this oil is going to work better and faster on stretch mark that are new. So that is why I keep saying that when you have new stretch mark, immediately, don't waste time, start treating that stretch mark, because when you start treating your new stretch mark, it's going to fade. But when you leave it for a longer time, the more older your stretch mark become, the more harder it is for your stretch mark to fade out. All right, so it's also going to work on old stretch mark, but it will not work as fast on old stretch marks or older stretch marks the way it's going to work on the new ones. So whenever you see your clients or you experience stretch marks on your skin, immediately you see the start treatment immediately. So that is how you use the stretch mark or apply on the affected area twice in a day, morning and night, and you're going to start seeing results from 1 month, most especially when your stretch mark is new. So thank you so much. Share this video to everybody that may need it, and yes, this can actually be sold. So see you in my next one. Bye.